panguva ino zvonzi ZANU-PF propaganda yazonyanyisa. Toona kuti zvonzi vakomana veThe ruling party ZANU-PF vanenge vari kunyanyisa kuzvifonera pamusoro patoona vanotora mapost vachikanda pasocial media vachiiti vada kuita such developments this and that. Panapa tine another development yopostiwa aiwa paX account yavanhu vanyanyasikuona kunzi aiwa this development is not feasible, ZANU-PF ngaisada kuchinyepera. Sandapinda mashoko abengerwa pana robo subscribe or like out on the bell kuti ina BBC vanoposta aiwa this picture amuri kuona inova aiwa interchange. Panapa vanodangira achiti propaganda in Zimbabwe. This is one of the government minister's fake account. We are told ED's government is about to start building something like this. It's now over 7 years. Harare Bit Bridge Road and the Boots interchange yet to be completed. Millions have been looted. Since we know that those who get these tenders get upfront payment, this AI-generated road will be used to loot millions. With the controlled social media influencers, Africa will believe that developments are happening in Zimbabwe. Ndo mashoko atiri kuona panapa epost yasendeshoko iri kuona panyogwa chinzi the Second Republic plans to construct a modern flyover at the congested intersection of Simon Mazorodze and Willowell, aiming to streamline traffic and enhance urban mobility. Mozodei ndo mashoko anotogwa panapa emaZANU-PF propagandist vachivachiti aiwa they are planning to build such flyover, but kunoonekwa kunzi this picture is just an AI generated. Hapana pangambonzi pane matown planners kana vanhu maengineers kana macivil engineers auya akaplana this. Kungoonekwa kunzi these are just propagandas avari kuuya vachingokanda pasocial media so that they can funnel state resources and taxpayers money so that they can enrich themselves. But pasina development iri kuitwa 7 years down the line. Panapa tinoona Boots interchange it is yet to be completed. Tinoona another Harare Bit Bridge Road